Hey friends, it's Kay from OK Quilting, and today we just have a small project. This is not even quilting. We are making something that it's called a mitten strap, and it holds your mittens, so you can do these for children. And it's a piece of elastic that goes through your coat and holds your mittens so that you don't lose them. And when I was in grade school, we called these things idiot strings because we hated wearing them. But our mothers made us. And now, am I making these for my grandkids? Oh no, I'm making these for me because we are leaving for Europe and going to the Christmas markets. And I know me, I am going to lose one of my gloves or one of my middies. So I don't want to do that. So what we're doing is making my mitten strings. You're going to need a few things. I don't really know what these are called, but they're a slider, a little slider piece, and it's for 1 inch elastic. And I have 2 of these little clamps. And then I have a package of elastic. And I just chose black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this around me because it's possible that this is elastic, so there is some give, but I don't want to feel it be tight. That's what I didn't like when I was a little kid. Okay, so I've got it full out at my fingers, and I'm going to give myself at least another foot or so. There is nothing precise about this project. And I'm just going to clip it off with my very favorite Karen K Buckley scissors. All right, now we just have a little tiny bit of sewing, and these will be done. So the first thing we're going to do is take one of the ends of the elastic and go up and over this little slider piece. Okay, so we've threaded it on to the slider piece. All right, now what I'm going to do is fold over the end, and I'm going to stitch it down. And I've got to leave myself a little space for my sewing machine, so it's okay if there's a little bit of space. You don't have to be right on it. And we're just going to go ahead and stitch that down. All right. So that will trim off the threads here. All right, so that's attached. Now what we want to do is we want to thread on one of our clips. And honestly, it doesn't matter which way it goes. It will matter which way the second one goes. All right. All right, so I've got that piece on. I guess it does kind of matter which way it goes. So you want when you're threading it on, you want the clip part that's going to be the outside facing the little slider piece. The reason that's important is because we have to, welcome to my world, you guys. All right, we have to make sure this is not twisted, so that's why I'm laughing here. Okay. So I want it, this piece of elastic, it's a long piece of elastic. I have long arms apparently. Okay, and so it's going to go through here, through this side, and under and back out. And here's the beautiful thing. If it gets twisted, you can fix it. All right, so there it is. Now remember, this is all going to be in my coat. Nobody's going to see this except me and you won't say anything, right? Okay, thanks. All right, so there's one end. So now the other end, that one is facing down on my table right now. So I'm going to want this one facing down as well. So I'm going to put it through like this, fold over the end, and now I just need to stitch that down. But because I watched Bob Vila, This Old House, measure twice, cut once kind of thing. So I want to make sure that I'm the right way. Okay, so now all I have to do is stitch this down. I keep forgetting which machine I'm on here. All right. Ooh, that was a clumpy mess when it ended up. It's fine though. Okay. Trim off those threads. So now I can slide this up a little bit. Now I can just go ahead and put this through the back of my coat and down the sleeves. And when I need it, I'm not going to keep it in there all the time, but on those events, we're going to the Christmas markets, and I know I'm going to be taking my gloves on and off. And so this is going to be great because I won't have to worry about them disappearing on me. So this might be a great gift if you have children, grandchildren, and you saw how long it took me to make. So make yourself some mitten strings. It's kind of a fun project. And if you like this project, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.